course, you already know, we don't just want to create a visual, we want to be able to format the visual. So even with the scatter chart, we can come over and we can format it just as normal. Let's see our effects. Sort our background, rather than it being white, we're gonna call it, got a lot of colors in here. So that fit. And let's see, what is this color? This color is, when I double click inside this box, it gives me the color. So I'm gonna Control C because I want my whole background, I want this whole page to be that color. And I'm gonna go to the page, canvas settings, canvas background, select the color, select more colors, and I'm gonna say Control V so I can have that same color. Come out and hit enter. Why's my, oh, you know what? You know why it didn't change colors? I'm almost sure that there was a transparency on that background. Canvas settings, canvas background, and yep, there's a transparency. We're gonna change the transparency, and now we get our color. If we go to 0 transparency, it's gonna be the exact same color as our chart. And there's several reasons why you would do this, but we're not necessarily gonna go into the graphic design piece of it, not right now anyway. But that's just give you an idea that you can make some changes, you can do some colors. Another thing you can do on your report is you can add text into your report. So you can go to Insert and let's see here, let me make it smaller again so I can see where that is. Oh, text. We just inserted text. I'm just gonna call this is my scatter chart. Now, of course, that's kind of small. So what I am going to do is highlight this text. I'm gonna call it 24 point, no, that's still small. I'm gonna call it 42 point, and I wanna go across my page. So I'm gonna spread this out so it'll go across the page a little bit. I'm gonna make this a little smaller. So now I've got a text box, but I want it to be the same color. I want my text box to be the same color as my background. So what I'm gonna do is I clicked on my text box, I'm gonna go to properties and effects, my background, right now it's white. I'm gonna hit more, I'm gonna hit Control V because I've already copied. Uh-oh, that didn't work. Let's see, I must have came out, so let me find that color again. Canvas background, click here. More colors, Control C to get that. Just real quick, I do understand that everyone is not going to be interested in Power BI, but you're out there looking for a tech solution, a tech opportunity for you to get into the way you can make that career change, that career pivot. So for those of you guys that are out there that are into looking for that tech change, I do have a free 30-day calendar, a 30-day calendar. As you can see here, it's 30-day, well, it's not a 30-day calendar. It's a 30-day tech transition planner. And it gives you day by day for 30 days, day 1 through day 30, to where you can use these steps in order to determine what tech venture you may want to get into. So I just wanted to throw that out there real quick. If you're interested in this free 30-day calendar that I have, just go to the link below the link below in this video, and just click the link, follow the link, and we will get you over the 30-day tech transition planner. Just wanted to take a quick break to let you know that. Now let's get back over to the webinar. Text color, come back to my text box, properties, effects, but I see my colors right here, so I'm gonna click it, but I want my title to be white. So in order to change my title, I change my title on this side, and color is white. I'm gonna bold it. It got too big, so I'm gonna spread my box out a little bit. Here we go. I want my box in the center of the page, and voila. I'm actually gonna bring my scatter chart over as well. Let's make it bigger. Let's make the scatter chart the whole project this time. Yeah, how about that? And just like that, you created a scatter chart. So, just like that, you created a scatter chart. What is this? And we created a scatter chart. We learned how to insert text. We formatted the scatter chart. We formatted the text. There was something else we did. Oh, we came over, you want to see the scatter chart. I mean, you want to see what we did. We came over to the transform into the Power Query, and we added a column. And the column we added was an index column because we analyzed the data and we determined that we could create a scatter chart because of the amount of facts that we had here, number of numerical values. And we said, hey, we need an index column. So we created a column, we created an index column, and then we hit close and apply, and we went back over to the report view, and we created a scatter chart. And just like that, we've created another visual. We've created a scatter chart. I've received several messages. I think most recently I received a message from Robert, and Robert asked, he said, hey, why are we not learning about relationships and building relationships and creating models? Hey, that's gonna come. That's gonna come. What I want to show you guys initially is that you can be Power BI developers. It doesn't take a whole lot to be a Power BI developer. If I had started with building relationships, building models, using star schemas, it would have made some people's heads spin. It was like, yo, I done spent my money on this and I don't know what's going on. But I'm telling you, it's not that difficult. Right now, you can build a report. If you had information you need, you can build a report. And typically coming into a new job, you will pretty much be starting where we're starting. The reports are already built. You'll just be working inside a report that's already built. Yeah, of course, when you create a brand new report, you're gonna have to, and you have several tables. You're gonna have to build those relationships and map those columns. But we're not doing that yet. Right now, we just got the job. We're moving in, and we're fixing bugs. We're fixing things that someone else broke, or we're picking up somewhere where someone else left off. Okay, trust me, we're gonna get to that. By the time you get done with this course, you're going to be creating reports from the very beginning to the very end. You're going to be picking up other people's messes and cleaning them up. You're going to have an online resume of projects that you've created. Okay, not of you walking through step by step with me, but projects that you created that you can show your potential interviewers, work that you have done. Okay, so don't sweat it. Don't look at YouTube and get all in a fuzzy because you feel like you're not getting all of what you need. Listen, there is no other Power BI program out there that's giving you everything that's coming in this program, from building visuals to transformations to queries to building relationships to pulling data from Azure portal, SQL servers, CSV files. There's no other. If you find one, let me know. And if it is one, it's costing a whole lot of money to become involved. It's costing a whole lot more than what you paid to become a part of this course. Okay, so trust me. This is the #1 Power BI course out there. Listen, I put everything I have on that, and I can say because I know that there are going to be very few other instructors out there or course developers out there that are in the industry, work in the industry, have worked in the private sector, the public sector, have worked on the consulting end, that's Power BI certified, data engineering certified, Azure certified, Azure fundamental certified, Microsoft AI fundamental certified. You're not going to find anybody else out there. And if you do, they're charging a whole lot of money. And the reason why I'm not charging a whole lot of money is because I want you to be successful. I don't want money to turn you off from being able to go out there and do what you can do in this industry. That's enough said about that. This was lesson 14, scatter plots. And thank you for your time. I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Thank you.